What's going on, Odooers, and welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at a super handy feature inside of the Appointments app, the Create an Opportunity option. The Appointment app allows customers to schedule meetings, consultations, or services. And now, let's explore how to automatically convert those bookings into direct sales leads. By linking appointment bookings to your CRM, you can now track new opportunities, follow up with your potential customers, and never miss a chance to close a deal. It's an easy way to stay connected with your scheduling process and your sales pipeline. So let's jump into our database and see how this works, shall we? All right, here we are on our design consultation appointment type. For details on configuring appointments, check out our appointment basics tutorial. I'll make sure to link that video down below. But moving on to the important part, we're just going to scroll down and click into this options tab right here where we can find our create opportunities setting. From here, all we want to do is tick and enable this option. Oh, and by the way, this option does require the CRM app, so make sure that's downloaded in your database. Now, to make these leads even more useful, we're going to navigate to the Questions tab. In here, we can add questions that customers will answer while booking. These answers get pulled directly into the CRM lead, so it's a wonderful way to gather helpful context up front. For a design consultant, I'm going to click Add a line, and let's enter a simple question here like, what room are you shopping for? And we're also going to make this answer type multi-line text. And I'm also going to repeat this by clicking Save and New, adding another question, and we're also going to make this a multi-line text answer. Now, we use these so customers can give us a little more detail, and it's also extremely helpful for our sales team to better prepare before the meeting. And it gives them a head start to just start working on the opportunity. So once you're happy with the rest of your appointment setup, we can go ahead and click Save and Close. We could also verify any hours, availability, location. And when you're all set, just click Save before moving on. And once you do, you're ready to start capturing new leads directly from bookings. Now, let's see what happens when a customer books this appointment. So here I am on our website for our design consultation appointments page. From here, all I have to do is select a date and time, and I'm thinking April 29th, and let's try 3 p.m. And I just need to choose the person who I want to meet with, and I'm going to select myself because I think I have a great sense of style. Now I'm just going to click confirm. And on this page, all I have to do is enter in my contact information. And for this example, I'm going to be Morgan Johnson. And since we have our name in here, I just need to fill out the rest of the contact information, which will be mjtest.com. And let's put in our extremely accurate and real phone number. So once we have our contact information inputted on this form, we have the rest of the questions that we configured earlier. So what type of furniture are we interested in seeing? Say something modern and cool. And for the room we're shopping for, it's going to be the home office. In the style or theme in mind, let's say something not boring, because who likes boring? All right, once completed, we can go ahead and confirm this appointment. And Odoo will automatically create a new opportunity in our CRM using these appointment details. So here we are back in our Odoo database. So let's go ahead and view that new opportunity by opening up our CRM application. And right off the bat, we can see our new opportunity here in the new stage of our sales pipeline. And if we click into it, we can see all the contact info and the answers that we provided not too long ago about our taste in furniture and design needs. And even here in the chatter, I have my appointment that I scheduled, which is in 5 days for the design consultation. And from here, I can follow up, schedule additional meetings, send quotes, or move this opportunity through my sales pipeline, just like any other lead. Using the Create Opportunity feature keeps your CRM organized and makes sure no potential leads slip through the cracks. This helps save you the time of creating both opportunities and appointments manually. And that's all the time for today, Odooers. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep it locked.